back from that drink, went to lean. I was just mad at my little bitch, she did something in a dream. She's in the bed, she's in traffic with me. I got too much money right now, this time I reach. I'm in the black truck like the prayers, but I can't get impeached. It's some niggas that want me dead, but they ain't got the reach. I don't respect nobody. Stop to carry out like I'm grown as fuck. Like one I can make holy one. Tell me how I strike me good right now. I feel like fuck.
Dumbass.
Looks like it may be going north on Beverly. It's gonna go negative. He's pulling the red light. Redrive. Negative. He's flying away now. Ain't getting far. South on Main. Negative. He's on the green light now behind
Hold my hand, Edna. I'm about to make him see Jesus. They have a with guns. That's not. Who's on the street?
Is it the same person?
What are you doing? No, go the other way.
Just
Go the other way. It's a one-way street. Turn around. It's a one-way street.
oh.
He's going over there. They told me, so I came over here. Now I'm going in over here.
No.
I'm going in over here. I wanted to go in over here. This gentleman told me that he cannot tell. Yeah. No, I'm going here. I'm already in. That spot will also go. You will lose the spot.
No, I'm not gonna do
I changed my mind.
I keep telling you.
Yeah. No, I'm going here. You can change your mind. I left a very convenient spot for me. Okay. There was a spot over there. I told him. Yeah. How can you change the mind? You can't change the mind.
I can change the mind, okay?
Then we'll wait over here like this.
If
Sorry?
I haven't told you that he's taking the spot
He can't change the mind, right? What's the guarantee that you wouldn't change the mind?
because the
No, no.
spot is so big. I
No,
wanna
no.
be
But
with
then
this
that's
spot.
not my problem.
That's
I
your
already
problem
left that spot
because
for
I
you.
told take this
I'm
spot.
not going to move. I'm here in the first in the line. He's
You
standing
were
there. I'm not sure.
first in the line. You squeaky right
Because he was going to go over
You
there.
know what? I don't know where you're getting all these ideas from, but this is so crazy. This is so crazy. Exactly. You know what? He's such an ass that I can't believe it. We ask
Yeah. Changing your mind is not safe.
You don't have respect
Changing
for
your
anybody,
mind is not
but
safe.
you want the respect
Yeah.
from everybody.
No.
And that's not right.
Go to hell. I left a spot for them over there. When I was entering, they told me they are occupying that spot. So I came over here. Then he tells me he's changed his mind. How can you change your mind? How can you change your mind? No. Exactly.
In different parties telling you you're wrong, you're wrong.
No, I'm not wrong.
Thank you.
Where is your